In professional environments, a projector isn't just about throwing a big image on the wall. It's about visibility, dependability, and performance that holds up every single day. The ViewSonic LS920WU is built with that exact mindset. This is a serious installation-grade laser projector designed for spaces where image clarity and brightness are non-negotiable. At the center of its performance is a powerful 6,000 lumens output. That level of brightness changes how and where you can use it. Conference rooms with lights on, university lecture halls with ambient daylight, training centers with open layouts. This projector maintains a strong, punchy image without demanding a fully dark room. Text remains readable. Fine lines in charts stay sharp. Colors maintain presence instead of fading into the background. The native WUXGA resolution at 1920 by 1200 offers a 16:10 aspect ratio, which is particularly useful in business and education settings. That extra vertical resolution compared to standard 1080p gives presentations more breathing room. Spreadsheets display more rows. Documents feel less cramped. Slides look balanced and professional. It's optimized for productivity-driven content, not just video playback. Speaking of video, it supports 4K HDR and HLG input signals. While the panel itself is WUXGA, the ability to accept high-resolution sources ensures compatibility with modern devices and media systems. HDR content benefits from improved dynamic range handling, delivering more depth in bright and dark areas. The overall image feels vibrant without being oversaturated, and contrast remains solid for a projector in this brightness category. One of the biggest long-term advantages here is the laser light source. Rated for up to 20,000 hours, it dramatically reduces maintenance compared to traditional lamp-based systems. There are no frequent bulb replacements and minimal brightness degradation over time. It powers on quickly and reaches usable brightness almost instantly, which is ideal for fast-paced professional environments. Over years of use, this translates into lower operational costs and greater reliability. Screen size capability is another standout factor. The LS920WU can project images up to 300 inches. That's massive. In large meeting spaces or auditoriums, that scale ensures visibility from virtually any seat. Even at larger image sizes, the 6,000 lumens output keeps visuals strong and well-defined. Installation flexibility is enhanced with a 1.6x optical zoom. Optical zoom matters because it adjusts image size without digitally scaling or reducing clarity. Installers have more flexibility when positioning the projector, whether ceiling-mounted or placed at the rear of a room. This adaptability simplifies setup in spaces with unique dimensions. Connectivity is straightforward and practical. Dual HDMI ports allow simultaneous connections to multiple sources such as laptops, media players, or conferencing systems. Switching between inputs is smooth, making it easy to manage dynamic presentation environments. Image uniformity across the screen is consistent and professional. Brightness distribution remains even from center to edge, which is especially important when displaying detailed content like architectural plans or financial reports. There's no distracting dimming in corners, which maintains a polished visual presentation. Despite its high brightness capability, operational noise remains controlled. In eco mode, fan noise reduces further while still providing more than enough brightness for most environments. That balance between power and acoustics makes it well-suited for classrooms and meeting rooms where focus matters. The overall build feels robust and purpose-driven. The chassis is clean and functional, designed for installation rather than style. Ventilation and cooling appear engineered for long-term use, reinforcing its position as a commercial-grade solution. For organizations seeking a bright, large-scale, low-maintenance projection system that integrates seamlessly into professional environments, this model delivers where it counts. Strong brightness, reliable laser longevity, widescreen capability, flexible installation, and modern signal support combine to create a projector built for serious performance. If you're interested in upgrading your business or education projection setup, you'll find the purchase link in the description below.